post one photo with your mother. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you want to do this viral trend right here, then keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then on my page, you have to click on the viral now at highlights. And here you will only find trending and viral stickers. So if you want, you can check these two. So there we have it. From here you have to click on the add yours button, and then you have to go to your uploads and choose a photo. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this add yours button. So I will go with this photo right here. It doesn't really matter for me, guys, but you can make it perfect and with your mother, of course. You can place your photo where you want, and you can do the same thing with the sticker and make it bigger or smaller. After that, you have to click on share to, then click share to your story, and that's it. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.